जंग के मैदान में खून बहा के आई है बेसिकली, उन्होंने मजाक किया।
I realized that I had stained my scrubs.
It has always been this painful, messy, chaotic affair, and add to that mix PPE, then that's a whole new animal. It has always been this painful, messy, chaotic affair.
About my PPE story, I completely forgot that my periods were around the corner. I was excited. I was happy that I was posted in COVID ICU. I happened to feel something warm between my legs within 2 hours of my duty, and I realized these were periods.
Everything was going fine up until one day when I was in the ward wearing my PPE, taking rounds for patients, and I suddenly felt very dizzy.
I was nearly half expecting to see a bloodbath situation down there.
So I thought it was probably because of the heat, because it's very hot in Bombay. I just felt like rushing out of the ward, but then I thought, there were 2-3 patients left, so I thought, why waste that PPE? So I saw those 2-3 patients, and then I came out of the ward and I sat down on a chair underneath the fan, drank some water, which is when I realized that I had got my period, and I realized that I had stained my scrubs.
I was on the 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. night shift, and I was at the fag end of my first day of my period. The kit that we were provided that day was the 90 GSM one, which means that it was thicker than the usual ones. And around 6 a.m. or so, exhaustion had set in. I was parched and I was sweating profusely. I must have easily lost about 3 to 4 liters of water, since everywhere that I was walking about I left puddles of sweat. It was quite literally like swimming in my own pool of sweat. And then although I had worn a pad and I was on my 3rd painkiller for the day, just to make sure that the pain doesn't interfere with my work, since everything underneath the PPE was drenched, so was the pad, and as I came to know a little later, it was significantly displaced. So that made me dread that made me dread the unsightly mess that was to follow. I was nearly half expecting to see a bloodbath situation down there. Fortunately and luckily for me, that wasn't the case. But yeah, that was certainly a stressful experience to have.
Whenever you are posted in COVID ICU or in any other COVID ward, you are not supposed to take your keys or your phone or anything else. You just go there empty-handed. So I was not prepared at all. I did not have my menstrual hygiene stuff with me. So now the question arose, should I tell my seniors, should I inform my seniors? एक मन में हिचक भी थी, बिकॉज सोसाइटी ने हमें कंडीशन किया है कि इन चीज़ों के बारे में इतना खुल के बात नहीं करना चाहिए. तो थोड़ा सा ये रीज़न था कि पीपीई की वेस्टेज होती. हम लोग को पता है कि ग्लोबल शॉर्टेज है पीपीई की, है ना. तो उसमें अगर मेरे को सैनिटरी नैपकिन लगाना है तो आई हैव टू वेस्ट द पीपीई आई वाज वेयरिंग टू डॉफ इट. फिर डॉन करने के लिए एक नया पीपीई चाहिए होता. तो आई डेंट वांट टू वेस्ट दीज मैनी पीपीई. कोई मुझे रिलीफ करने के लिए आता, कोई मेरा सब्स्टिट्यूट आता, तो उसको भी 3 पीपीई की ज़रूरत पड़ती. 2 पीपीई मेरे लिए, मतलब एक जो मैंने पहना हुआ पीपीई उसको उतार के देने के लिए, अनदर पीपीई टू wear it when I come back, and the 3rd PPE for the guy who would substitute me. So I decided कि इतना PPE का wastage हो, I decided not to go for it. Then the 3rd reason was कि if I went away, I would have left my patients alone in the ICU for 1.5 hours, which could have been lethal for any of them. So there were many reasons basically to not raise an alarm for my own personal menstrual hygiene. Society ने हमें condition किया है कि not raise an alarm. When I came back to the hostel, I discussed with my friends about this incident, and they called me a warrior. They called me a true warrior that I bled on the front line. I bled at the जंग के मैदान में खून बहा के आई है बेसिकली. उन्होंने मजाक किया और ठीक है. फिर मैं बैठ के बाद में सोचा कि मैं क्यों नहीं बोला मैंने अपने सीनियर्स को. ये सब रीजंस थे या कुछ और रीज़न था. मैं हीरो हूँ, कहाँ से हीरो हूँ मैं? आई एम नॉट अ हीरो. देन आई रियलाइज कि whenever a woman who talks about her periods is thought of as a hero, you put her on a pedestal and you worship her. So talking about periods equates her to a Devi Mata. But instead, people should realize that this is a completely normal thing.
I got thinking that just like me, there are so many other doctors and nurses in the hospital who are women who must be getting their period, probably sometimes on their duty, sometimes when they're not on duty, and it's very difficult in a PPE to when you wear it the whole day, it's very stuffy. You can't keep using the washroom, you can't go and change your pad. What if you stain the PPs? These are all the thoughts that started coming to my mind.
Colleagues have dysmenorrhea, they are using painkillers before shift, and those who have heavy flow is using long sanitary napkins. Till now, we doesn't have any male staff on the floor, but our male supervisors are supporting us by arranging shift changes.